Hi guys, Elliot from Valet Pro. Today we've got Sam's Mini in for a detail. I've noticed he's got some faded plastic trims, so we're going to use our Black to the Future trim and tyre dressing, and we're going to use this to just dress these trims and get them nice and black again. So as you can see, these trims are quite faded. This is just more down to sort of the age of the vehicle and sort of UV sort of sunlight and stuff like that. So we're going to use this here and we're going to just dress the trims and get that colour put back into it. Less is more, so you don't need too much. So just a nice little gentle wipe there, and then just slide it on the edge of the pot just to take the excess off. And then work it into the plastic. I've just popped some tape there, so just while we're doing this side, there'll be a bit of a before and after, so you can actually see the visual effect of the difference. So one of the main problems with exterior trim coatings like this is that they can become sticky and that then attracts dirt. So what we're going to do is just buff the coating. Now it's soaked into the plastic, we're just going to give it a quick buff off and just get rid of any sort of excess residue on there. Trims are done. Now it's time to sort this little puck wire out. Same again with this one, it's faded. This one looks a little bit more to do with chemicals. So yeah, less is more. A little bit of Black to the Future on the sponge, and I'm just going to work it into that plastic. So the last bit of reviving we've got to do is just the wiper arm here. So again, I'm just going to lift it up, just keep it away from the windscreen. Small amount of Black to the Future. Just work it into that. So that's all the trims dressed with the Black to the Future. We could use Black to the Future to do the tyres, but because I've just done the trims, I want them to stand out, so instead I'm just going to use Maximum Shine Tyre Gel. Thanks for watching this video on Black to the Future. I hope it was a helpful, useful video for you. If you want to know some more information on the product, head over to the website www.valetpro.global, and remember to like, comment and share this video. And subscribe.